Jacobu Charles T. Valencia, Ginoo ning Barangay San Jose.
Aking balwa, ganda ka ang yakin, alalangga. Kaluguran ka, at bigayang kaluguran ka. Ako aking balwa, ganda ka ang yakin,
Pick your judge, Charles.
You have chosen, once again, Mr. Rabin Canuzo.
Mabuhay at magandang gabi, Charles.
Hello po.
So my question is, Santa Rita is known for farming and agriculture. How can you make farming look interesting and important to the younger generation?
Being a Ginoo means more than just holding a title, and it means being a role model and a leader. A true Ginoo inspire others through action, not just words, and ready to serve with sincerity and dedication. For me, that's a responsibility that requires both strength and character and genuine love for the people. Thank you.
Charles, what transformative change do you want to see in Bayong Santa Rita that may bring hope during a time of a national crisis? Again, what transformative change do you want to see in Bayong Santa Rita that may bring hope during a time of a national crisis?
If I were a Ginoo ning Santa Rita tonight, I can help in making Santa Rita more progressive by promoting unity, safety, and sustainability. Through volunteering, supporting local businesses, mentoring others, and cleaning public spaces, and actively participate in our local government activities. To participate in our youth and sharing my advocacy, as a Ginoo, I want to inspire the youth to do the same, because even a small contribution can make a big impact to create a Bayong Santa Rita. Thank you.
Thank you. Ginoo ning Santa Rita 2026 is San Jose Charles Valencia. San Isidro, Mike Gino Ocampo. Please step forward.